Hi, this is a quick video on how to look for your industry growth. You go to the link that is in this assignment page. You will find that link there. You click on that link. It is min.gov/deed. It's this up here. Click the Use the Data tool. Click Start New Search. Go over here to the right side where it says Industry Projections and click Long Term. Choose the area that you want to focus on, whether it's US, Minnesota, or an area in Minnesota. Do not click the titles, click under the titles. So anything with a line in front of it is not clickable. So let's say I want general Minnesota, I would click here. If I want the Twin Cities area, I would click the 7-county Minneapolis-St. Paul area. So whichever one, you click that, and then you click select. And this is where you're going to look for your industry. If you know your code, you can just go down the line until you find at least the first 2 digits of your code. They don't have all of the information for every specific industry, so find at least the first 2 digits of your code. So let's say it's education and health services. Here's a 4-digit one. I can click that one. And then I click the first button on the bottom, View Data of Selected Industry. This gives me the results, and the result that we're really looking for is the percentage here. It shows a 12.1% growth. You can also look at the amount of jobs that were in 2018 and how much they increased to 2028. But what you need for our assignment is 12.1%, and then you will add that percent into the assignment 3.01. That's it.